India and the United Arab Emirates have strengthened their strategic partnership, agreeing to double bilateral trade to $200 billion by 2032, while reaffirming a shared commitment to combat terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. The decision was taken during delegation-level conversation between the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and UAE President Sheikh Mohamed bin Zayed Al Nahyan in New Delhi. Briefing the media, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said multiple agreements and letters of intent were signed across key sectors, including defense, space, energy, and food safety. A letter of intent was signed to finalize a strategic defense partnership framework, along with another agreement focusing on space infrastructure development and commercial use. India's HPCL and ADNOC Gas of the UAE also signed a sales and purchase agreement. Both countries agreed to establish a supercomputing cluster in India and expand cooperation in civil nuclear energy. The UAE will participate in developing a special investment region in Dholera, Gujarat, covering projects such as the International Airport, Pilot Training Academy, Smart City Development, and enhanced rail and energy infrastructure. In a major financial boost, first Abu Dhabi Bank and DP World will set up operations in Gift City, Gujarat. Additionally, the two nations agreed to establish the House of India in Abu Dhabi, envisioned as a cultural hub showcasing Indian art, heritage, and archaeology, further deepening people-to-people ties.